Good. Hello, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I'm back out in the farm and I'm working on this Toyota Corolla. Specifically, I'm going to be changing the window master switch. Super common. One of the only unreliable things about Toyotas is usually the window switches. We all know Toyota has a great history of being extremely reliable vehicles, but the one thing they haven't got right is their master switch. Now, this is 01 to 07. It's going to be a fairly straightforward job, and don't forget, we do have these parts available here at Parts Factory Australia. I've actually got one right here in this little box. Bang. Guys, if you need this, $63.30, free express post anywhere in Australia. You're going to get it into your hand in under 2 days, other than Western Australia, of course, 3 to 4 days to get it to you there. But other than that, guys, you're going to throw it in and just save yourself some money by doing it DIY style. Guys, if you can, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. You never know when you're going to be doing DIY repairs again, and that's what we're all about here. It's my job to help you get the job done. Alrighty, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so just before we start, to diagnose a master switch, the only way you can do it is basically, obviously, if it's this one that's not working and all the other ones are working, the only true way to diagnose a switch is to get another switch. Unfortunately, that's the way it is. Good news is, they are cheap. So at the end of the day, even if it isn't a switch and you end up wasting your money there, you're not out of pocket too much. If you get a new switch and it doesn't fix the window, then it's the window reg. So go through that order of operations. The reg's more expensive than the switch, so buy the switch first. Alrighty, so good news is though, super easy to pull in and out on this car. A lot of cars, you got to pull this whole door card off. This car, you can literally just grab this trim, pop it up into the air, like so. Got one more clip at the front, popping it up into the air. You see these 2 pressure clips, that's all it is. And once you've got into that section, you can then just pop the switch up into the air. Let me just have a quick look. I think maybe from the front. Yep, front out, like so. Flip it upside down. You got one little plug that you can press. Yep, literally, that's it. And bang, it's out. As you can imagine, Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head, and the whole switch will pull out of the bezel itself. And then at that point, give the bezel a clean, grab your new switch, pull it out of your packet. And as you can see, that's your Parts Factory equivalent. They are auto on the right. Other shops like Chinese, Alibaba and all that stuff, they're only going to be able to supply you auto on the left. Don't buy that. You're going to be in trouble. Get the Parts Factory one, guys. It's simple, easy, done. So as I said, you pull out your 3 Phillips head screws, plug your plug back in. As you can see, they are an OEM replica. Whip it back into your door, and that's how you do it. Nice and easy. As you can imagine, guys, same procedure in reverse. So obviously now you've got your new switch in. No point in me putting the brand new switch in an old car like this one. Don't forget that the switch needs to go in from the back first because it tucks in and under at the back. Like so. She's a bit tight. But there you go there. Pops in like so. Remember your little leather trim. I suggest giving that a clean while it's out because you won't be able to clean it as easy as when it's out. Nice big hit, and that's it. As you can see, super easy job. In and out, quick and fast. One thing I did want to mention, guys, imagine paying a mechanic to do that job. They're going to charge you half an hour's labor, and if they really want to screw you over, they're going to charge you an hour's labor. And you know what, these days, what everything's costing, $100 an hour. Imagine paying $100 an hour to fit that. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory, guys. If you do appreciate that, give it a thumbs up. But other than that, guys, my name's Lucas. Thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. I'll see you next time.